This Christmas, I want to ask you to think about one simple question. Why does every family need a radio? Not just for the hobby, but for connection, for fun, for peace of mind, for magic. Because right now, between Thanksgiving and Christmas, there's a special net happening on the air. Yes, that's right. We're talking about the Santa Claus net. And folks, this is one that I love. I absolutely love every year. Every evening on 80 meters, 3.916 megahertz. Some of you would say 75 meters. I'm not here to argue with you tonight about that. But that's at 7 p.m. Central Time, 3916, 3.916 megahertz or 3916 kilohertz. This is a chance for your grandchildren, your neighbors to talk to Santa over amateur radio, to make contact with the North Pole. It's not just cute. It's proof of what radio can do. Here's why it matters. It creates real magic for families. A handheld radio under the tree becomes more than gear. It becomes ticket into a new world where the voices are real, the signals come through the static, and joy is built on connection, not Wi-Fi. It teaches something valuable. When you give someone a radio, you're giving them more than gear. You're giving curiosity, responsibility, community, and the chance to talk when everyone else can't. And during the SantaNet, they're part of a live event. They're part of the ham radio history that stays with you. And it's peace of mind, because when they're giggling with Santa, they're also using the same gear serious operators use. It's not just a game. It's a doorway to something bigger. Emergency comms, nets, Skywarn, and community service. And that's what the holiday gift, that's the holiday gift that lasts. So this Christmas, when you're shopping for your family, don't just buy another gadget. Buy a radio. Join the SantaNet. Build a memory that lasts longer than any toy. Because when the rest of the house goes quiet, the radio can still say, ho, ho, ho. That's my best shot. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Again, this is on every night at 7 p.m. Central Time. They do open for check-ins 1.5 hours before, but it's on 80 meters, 3.916 megahertz, lower sideband. But there's some cute videos here of some kids. You can check this out at cqsanta.com. It's a really, really cool event. The guys that help facilitate this, as well as the big man, they do some incredible things, and I thank them for being able to do this. But you'll go to cqsanta.com and then click on the check-in, and there'll be a form here to fill out to check in. And you don't necessarily you don't check in over the airwaves. You just check in via the check-in sheet, and they will call for you. Santa will call for you. Well, his elf, and then Santa himself will call for you as well. So cqsanta.com. Go check out that website. Guys, again, if you are looking to buy ham radio gear for Christmas, maybe you do want to give the gift of ham radio for Christmas, Amazon link down in the description is a great place to start. There are some HF radio gears there. If you're looking for HF as well, Gigaparts is probably my best company I work with for that. They've got ICOM, Kenwood, Yaesu. Gigaparts.com. Use coupon code HamShackTV. That'll give you double rewards points on anything you buy. And then if you buy ICOM, Yaesu, or Kenwood, you get 4 times 2 rewards points. So really cool deal there. If you're just looking for a simple HT, let me just tell you, Better Safe Radio is the way to go. Down in the description down below, you'll find Better Safe Radio. Their link, as well as a coupon code AA4WX7 that gives you 7% off. They're already great prices on their Oshang HTs. Guys, can't thank you enough. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next one. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.